Yes, you read it right. There is only one thing which can change your life entirely. Only one practice will make you speak English like a native speaker. You will be very much confident in speaking English in front of others. Do you really want to know what is that single practice which I did which helped me reach here? Because that is the practical knowledge I have through my experience. I'm not saying that I am so fluent in English or I am doing the best, but wherever I am, whatever I can speak, and whatever confidence I have gained, this one practice has helped me a lot. So let me tell you that one practice is thinking in English. You must be wondering how anyone can think in English because all our thoughts come in our own language, right? But no, you can change your thoughts too. That is the power of human mind. You can definitely change your thought. Let me tell you guys. When I was in school, I was also very much underconfident that how can I speak English. So I used to tell my mom that he is speaking thus English. I cannot speak like that. And what do I do to make myself speak like that? So my mom said, there is nothing like thus English. You don't need to put your accent, but the knowledge is the most important thing that you need to gain. First thing is knowledge, and second thing is confidence. Once you know really well what you are thinking, what you are going to do, if you are right about it, you will definitely deliver it in a very much confident way. But when you do not have the idea that what exactly it is it wrong, is it right, then you might lose your confidence in delivering the same. Now that I look back at how I was able to think in English, I found a solution. Whenever I was driving, I was going to school, I was going to tuitions, I was going to market, or any time I am on the road, especially I am driving or I am sitting behind a driver, I always think in English. Why there is so much traffic today? Usually this road is less crowded. Is there an accident? It's been long. Why this under constructed building is not being completed? Oh, since when this mall got opened? Did I book my LPG? The prices are so high these days. Why suddenly the weather changed? It might rain anytime soon. I remember later school days or early college days, I picked this habit seriously. Like, anyhow, I will, whenever I am on the road, I will think in English only. Immediately a thought came, oh shit, मैं अपना टिफिन लाना भूल गई. मम्मी अभी फिर से फोन करके डांटेगी. But again, I reminded myself, no, Niru, you have to think this one also, this emergency one also, you have to think in English. Then I again repeated myself that you just forgot your meal, your lunch, your mom will again call you and scold you. You just have to remember only one thing, that this is not a 10-day process. Okay, this is not a 5-day, 10-day, or 1 month process. You just need to keep remind yourself every time that you need to think in English. And every time I am saying, I am 100% sure that after 2 minutes, after 3 minutes, something will happen, some other thoughts will come to your mind, and you will completely forget about it, and that is also completely fine. And then again you have to remind yourself that no, I again need to think in English. Continue this, continue reminding yourself until this is a automated process. After that, you don't really need to think, or you will not take a pause while talking to somebody or while discussing on any topic, because this way your brain will be trained to think in English. Your brain already knows all the words that you need to do a conversation, right? Don't you know this is a pen, this is a tree, that is a vehicle, I got late, I was early. Everything you know. Only case is you don't know how to produce a sentence immediately. And that will only happen when you stop translating. When you stop translating your native language to English. When your brain has to do three things, that is, think in your native language, translate it, and produce it verbally. in other language. These three things your brain is doing at the same time. So it take pauses, right? So we have to train our brain like that, so that it will do only one thing, that is directly think in English. So the words will automatically get produced. Please let me know who are going to try this thing, and if you are trying right now, because whenever you are listening to me, you must be thinking something else, right? So think that in English also. If you are thinking that मैं कैसे सोचूंगी, think that in English, how I am going to think like that, because my thoughts always come in my native language. How I am going to think in a different language? Is it possible? What is he saying? Even if you want to scold someone, scold in English. Try to scold in English. Literally, it's a funny language. Yeah, that's it. This is so easy. But afterwards, I will make videos on how to do a conversation. I will ask you some questions and I will write down the answers in this subtitle area, and you people will speak it out loud. But first, make yourself think in English and write down in comments who all are going to think in English. Only a yes or a high hand will make me feel that you people are really going to try. I will come soon with another practice which will make you feel more confident and which will make these things very easy for you. I will not say we will learn it, because whenever you tell your brain that you are going to learn it, brain thinks that that is another pressure. No, I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to learn anything. So what we will say, we will play English. Okay, so till then, wait for me, I'll be back.